Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithAir.com. So what is Forex trading all about? So I'm going to break this down, guys. It won't be the most eloquent explanation. Won't be the most, I guess, tactical explanation. It's just going to be my explanation from what I've learned and just give it to you all in a layman's term, just per se. You know, you can assume everyone knows exactly what Forex is. So if you're watching this, you're pretty much trying to find out more about it. You've probably been seeing that and things like cryptocurrency all over the place over the past year or so. So I'm making this really quick, guys. I'm not going to be long. I got a doctor's appointment I'm going to head into. I had a couple of minutes to spare, so I thought I would cut this video for you really quickly. So pretty much Forex trading is Forex is the trading of different currency pairs for different countries. It's trading one currency pair against another. And based on different strategies, different techniques, indicators, and what's happening in that current country, their economy, things of that sort, you take one pair against another, and based on what the market is showing and the analysis you get, you choose to buy that pair or sell that pair. And typically the first of the two pairs, the pair that's in the front is obviously going to be the primary pair, the main currency. So if you were to take the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar per se, which is actually a pair you can trade, you're pitting the US currency against the Canadian dollar, their currency. And depending on what the market is giving you, for instance, let's say if the US dollar is really strong, well, that market is going to be in that trade is going to be, that pair is going to be in what's called a buy, meaning that is going to be going up, going long, in an uptrend per se, and that's the way it's going to be moving. So let's just say, obviously, now if something happens in the news or something happens that affects the US dollar, then it may reverse and start going down, which means and then that means if say United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar, if it starts dropping, that means that the Canadian dollar at that point is stronger than the US dollar, and it starts dropping down. And when you look at that, so it happens all the time. The market moves up, it moves down. It's gonna, if people keep buying, at some point they're gonna sell, and then the same thing, sell. Once everything is pretty much sold off, enough sellers in the market, is gonna be too many sellers, then people start buying again. So it's similar to stocks, but it's different. It's actually 20 times larger than the stock market, as far as it's the largest financial market in the world. It's a $5.3 trillion per day industry that everyday people like you and I can tap into and get a piece of. And from our smartphones, computers, you can sit up there and just take trades based on, one pair against another. And it's the same thing with cryptocurrency as well. Now, crypto has last year splashed, it's been around obviously for some years, but was a big boon in the market, and now it's here to stay. We're talking about a digital currency, and everybody kept, if you look at crypto, it was at a point where, man, everybody kept buying. I think it was like $19,000 per share or something like that, and then boom, it sold. It dropped hard, and I don't even think it's went back up to 10,000 yet. I haven't checked as far as what crypto we're talking about, Bitcoin per se. So it's knowing how the market moves. You can't predict the market. If you could, everyone would be super wealthy and rich. But based on analysis, based on indicators, based on strategies, the market repeats itself. It always repeats itself. Those are things you'll learn with Forex. But it's like I said, it's the foreign exchange market. I should have said that in the beginning. But obviously, if you went to Europe, if you went to Great Britain, if you went to France, China, Japan, any of these countries, in order to go into their country and buy products and goods, you have to turn in your US dollar and convert it to their currency. Same thing if someone came from another country here. That's the way it works. So it's a whole bunch more that goes into that. I'm not about to talk about that, but in the gist, that's what it is. It's trading one currency pair of a country versus another currency pair, and being in the markets and putting yourself in position to be able to profit off of that. Okay, so Pretty much that's in a sense what it is. But if you want to learn more about Forex, exactly what it is, how you can profit from it in detail, on top of what I just shared with you, get a little more in-depth information, and how you can turn your phone into a smartphone, turn your smartphone into a daily ATM, simply copied and pasted. If that's something that sounds of interest to you, simply go to tradewithed.com for more information, and you'll find out exactly how you can do that. All right, so with that being said, thanks for watching. Hope you got some value from this. Hope I made sense to you. And guys, I'm gonna head into my appointment here, but I'll be back tomorrow. Go ahead, tradewithed.com, check it out, guys. Found out more about IML is the company that's gonna break down exactly what Forex is and how they show you how to operate and learn Forex through their educational training platform. All right, so with that being said, I will talk to you guys later. Take care and have a great day.